Okay, I am unboxing the new arrival. Obviously just came in today. These are loose clothes I bought. I paid a decent amount for them. Hopefully the packing is done good and yeah. I guess you get what you pay for. Shipping was pretty low on this. It's like $7, $10, something like that. I was expecting better, but I mean, this is kind of crap that you shouldn't be getting. A mixture of bubble wrap. It does nothing. Tissue paper that's not even on. And it's stuff. Where are we here? Ah. Sorry, I'm using two cameras here. I'm trying to figure out which one is actually better. It's an 83 Silverado. I have my JVC recording down low, and then my Nikon D3200 running up high. And again, this is I know that there's a couple cars in here like that one that are a little harder to find, a little rare, but yet packed like this. That's one thing you will never ever get from me, is a horrible packing job. Just not, I mean, I'm not going to sit here and just complain about it all day. But, very nice looking 63 split window Corvette there. Ooh. This is a Dodge Charger. I don't know. I don't think this is a treasure hunt. Let's see, focus. I don't think that this is a treasure hunt. I have to look. I'm not an expert on these. It's an all-metal body, rubber tires. Let's see if this will focus. Come on. Nope, my camera hates me. I think it's trying to focus on everything else in the background instead of what's in front of it. Let me see if I can move that over a little bit. Still horrible. Well, I don't know about settings on that. No. There we go. Spoiler sport. Switch this to manual. Okay. Looks to be in focus. Overall condition, and this is very good shape. I don't see any real scratches or pitting on it. A couple little things it looks like. The plastic wing. That was one of the reasons why I bought it, was because I had that van in the past and I lost it. And I wanted it. There we go. Finally. now it's back out of focus. Anyways. Again, we're using two different cameras to figure out which one's going to work better, and right now it's the JVC because that's staying in focus. This is where this other one keeps coming out of focus. See, every time I move. And this is, everything is set to autofocus on this, which this is what annoys me about cameras, is I don't know enough to figure out why every time I move, this camera that was highly recommended is horrific to use. Oh well, again, I'm not going to sit here and bitch and moan about it. You guys don't need to hear that. And here's another reason why I bought this, is there's a couple of these in here. This is my favorite car in the world. Superbird, then the, excuse me, the Superbird, the Super B, the Daytona, and basically any AAR out there are my favorites. I'll take any of those over any Ford or Chevy or any other Dodge all day long. Friend's brother, he did auto body work for, I'm sorry, my brother's friend, he was doing auto body work for, had a Superbird. He had quite a few older Chryslers, beautiful condition. I wouldn't exactly call him like an A1 restoring shop, but he restored his own, did some decent work. But with the Superbird, he ended up living in Colorado, and one winter he had no place to put it. So he left it outside. There was a snowplow going down the hill we lived on that slid right into it, totaled it. He bought it back off the insurance company. He's trying to rebuild it, but he doesn't know if it's savable. Okay, I'm going to go to this camera since the top one don't want to focus. I'm probably just going to load the JVC, which is this bottom one here, for a video, because this is, again,